AI coding assistants are everywhere now, but three tools keep leading the conversation: Codeium, which is now Windsurf, GitHub Copilot, and CodeGeeX. So which one's actually worth integrating into your workflow? Codeium, now part of the Windsurf AI suite, is fast, privacy-friendly, and completely free. It supports over 70 languages and integrates with most popular IDEs. It's also pretty lightweight, ideal for devs who want suggestions without being locked into a paid model. Now, Copilot is the most polished and widely used. It's built on OpenAI models and integrates deeply into VS Code and JetBrains. Suggestions feel more contextual and accurate, especially in real-world code bases. But it's paid. Some users report occasional overreach or hallucination in complex logic. Now, CodeGeeX is open source and developed in China. It supports multiple languages and IDEs with multilingual code comments and strong support for non-English coding environments. Surprisingly capable for a free tool, but it can feel less refined and less responsive than the others in larger projects. Use Codeium if you want a free, reliable assistant with fast responses and no data sharing. Copilot is best for serious devs who want tight integration and the smartest predictions, and CodeGeeX works well in multilingual or low-spec environments, especially if you prefer open models. Copilot is still the leader in code quality, but Codeium is catching up fast and it's free. CodeGeeX is a solid alternative if you want open tooling or need multilingual support. That's your quick look at Codeium, Copilot, and CodeGeeX. Try each one in your IDE and let your workflow decide which one stays.